channel. It's me, Zoe, and
Alexis.
Yep. So we made a slime smoothie, but our camera kept on falling, so it kept on deleting. We had to keep on deleting all those videos, so we just mixed it without the camera seeing. So if you guys want to know what it looks like, here it is. Okay, get out of the way. So today we're going to do a very interesting thing. We're going to make a red slime. We're going to take it into tiny pieces. We're going to eat strawberries, and we're going to, you know those green parts on the top? We're going to take those off. Yeah, the leaves. And we're going to stick it right on top. No.
You can't let me control.
No, I'm taking white glue.
Oh,
White glue's going to make it look more like strawberries.
Sorry if you hear Myers crying in the background.
Yep.
Don't hurt the boy. Should we do it on the table?
Yeah.
Don't forget. Add some. Okay, that's enough. We don't need a lot. So we get the other red. It's on the chair, I think.
Yeah, we're running out of red. I think.
We need a lot of red for this.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do. We need a lot. Get the red. Where you guys can see it. Okay.
Move. How about we mix it? See if this is good. Do you want to use your
Activator.
finger? Or not?
We need to.
We don't activate it so fast.
Okay, wait. Let me go grab a clean fork.
Yeah, we use forks because they mix it better because they have so many little pointy things. I'm gonna mix.
Move.
We have to add more glue, I think.
No, I think we need more red.
No more red. No, don't add the activator yet, and I will add the activator.
No, because last time I added too much and it was good.
Because you kept on saying you needed more.
Come on.
I can't mix it fast.
Okay, this is good.
Alexis, it is not. Oh my god, this is all. We're not adding any more activator. Not even all the colors mixed in. And if we're adding more activator, I'll take honors. We're making so many videos today. Today's like YouTube day or something. Could you not?
No, I can.
Does it feel good?
Slimy. We need more red.
No, oh yeah, actually we do need
It's too pink. Where's the red?
I don't know. Alexis!
What? That was the other red. I want the new red that you found in the box.
I don't know what that is. Well, no more red. But seriously, where is it? Is it on the ground or something? That's not gonna work. Oh, it's spraying. Wait.
I'm gonna go cut some strawberry.
Oh, it's right here.
Oh my god. This is how we roll.
Oh.
Stop, no copyright.
Oh.
Really? Get off my hand.
I can't. You're just gonna get more on your hands.
Oh, you can't, huh?
Yeah, I got it.
Don't. I'll do it. Your hands are dirty.
That hand isn't. I don't want you to add too much. Actually, add as much as you did earlier. Huh. Alright,
Okay,
pause.
that's good.
Alexis, we should have done clear. Because with the white glue, it's going to make it all... Okay. Go get Mom to wash the strawberries. so much. I don't even know what Alexis is doing. Whatever she's doing, she better be back soon from doing it. Try this at home. Try to make a red slime. Do not use white glue. Use clear glue. Oh, we need to add something black, like little bits of something that's black. I wish I had black beads, but I don't. I'm triggered. Here, just look at the slime. I'll be right back. I mean, like, I'm going to be, like, right behind the camera. I'm going to be getting something. So, Mom, can I tell you what we're doing?
Alexis already told me.
Yep. So you're okay with that? Because it's going to be trash, so it's okay with putting it into the slime. Instead of throwing it away, we're using it.
As long as you're not wasting the strawberries.
Yeah, we're going to eat the strawberries, then we're going to cut off the
There's
green
slime
part.
over here.
There is?
Yep.
I'll be right back.
There's slime.
Oh. This is the exact slime. How did it get right there? Oh, wait, no, it's not. This is like hard. What is Alexis doing?
Watching Miles. That's all I do.
So guys, we're still on a video. I don't know if any of y'all know that, but we still are. Well, you guys have been watching, so yeah. I think you guys do know that. Or I think you know that. I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you.
What is it called?
Luis. I don't even know why I said that. I was just thinking of a random name to say. Don't worry, there's no glitter on the camera. We just put this. Oh, there's my pretty mom. Hi. Hey.
Oh man, I got glitter on my hand. I'm sparkly.
You're a show off. Did Mike leave? Mike Jacob Warner. Is that actually his name?
No, it's your brother. Miles Jacob Warner.
But I said Mike Jacob Warner.
Michael David Warner.
You just told the camera what it was.
It's a very common name.
Not complimenting. Alexis, the slime is done. Okay, so now, since the strawberries are all washed. Sorry, I had to watch my baby brother for a second. Okay, wait. So you stay right there. Okay, I'll snip.
Where's
Right.
straws?
Buy the paper towels. There's a bunch more by the paper towels.
I need straight one. No, curly.
I don't know where the straight ones are.
Oh yeah, I see it. Thanks.
Welcome.
So how do I do this?
No, you don't poke them from that side. You poke them from the bottom. Do you want to switch? I'll do the easy and you can just play around with the slime.
I'm not gonna play with it. Dang, I missed.
I'm really good at doing that, just like Nana.
Correct.
Do you want me to do it?
Yes.
I'll just eat the strawberry. Let me see the strawberries. Next time, get a stronger straw, not a plastic straw. Okay. This is our, okay, you know what? I don't care. I'm doing it the old fashioned
Cutting it.
way.
I love strawberries. Here's some weed.
Dang it. Keep jumping the right thing.
Can I have this one?
I already did it.
Can I have this one?
Thank you.
Okay. So now I'm going to shape it as a strawberry. While Zoe
Good
cuts
luck.
it out.
Did you hear me?
Hmm.
Good luck.
I'm already done. What do you think?
I didn't know you meant that. Yep. Put them on the sides and we're going to keep on going up and up and up. That's going to look so cool.
Okay, I'll be right back, guys.
Strawberries are going to be right there.
Okay, here.
We're each going to take one.
Of what?
Wait, don't eat them. Don't eat them. Alexis. Don't eat that. This one's mine.
Do you have any?
Can you wait a minute?
No.
I ain't playing that one. There's Alexis here. Alexis here. Alexis, I'll give you them, so you don't need to come over here.
When you have 5, bring them over to me.
Okay.
Don't worry, I'm taking the ones that I got from mine, from when I eat them.
any of the strawberries. Wait, no, we can do it yet. Stop!
I just want more. Just
Wait
do it.
a second. Stop.
I just want to know.
Take that.
I said 5.
Well, too bad. You got less. I got less. Alexis, come here. 3 meters. Jerk. Jerk. Great words. Here, Alexis, you want strawberry? Here. Here, I'll cut it in half for you. There you go. Jerk. I give you a gross one.
Mm.
Come here, Alexis.
Right.
That was a tiny one.
Don't strawberry. Okay, Zoe, I think that's enough. Don't strawberries have those red dots? And you just like all of it. They have like those dots.
Wait, don't do any more. Don't do any more. Use your pinky. Take some, put some in another place. Take some, put some in another place. Take some, put some in another place. Take some, put some right there. Okay, now keep on going.
Done. Okay. Are you ready? Are you guys ready for the final product? Okay. Get ready for this. Drum roll, please. Dun. There's the beautifulness. Wait. There. Beautiful. La la. La la.
Now I'm gonna be it's strawberry.
Just zooming in.
Let's see.
What does strawberry taste like? We're gonna inspect your mouth. Open wide. Open wide. Open up. I'm gonna watch as she digests. Why did you make me do that?
Do my mouth again.
Okay. I think that's all for today's video. Unless you want to watch us eat strawberries. Don't poke it yet.
So
We still need to show Mom.
leave the video right now if you don't want to see us eat strawberries because we're about to keep the video on
Wait.
while eating strawberries.
I'm gonna put glitter in the places where the dots are.
I don't think that's gonna work here. Get some more. Let's want some of them. Yum glitter.
Perfect.
Wait, one more spot right here. Hey!
I'll go get Mom.
Ta-da! Wait, we didn't show the camera when it had glitter.
You ate all of those halves?
Sure. That sounds gross.
Yeah.
I got glitter.
I'll be right back, guys, okay?
That strawberry tasted like coffee.
guys, that's it for today's video. Zoe, come on. I know you're under the table. Hey guys. Bye guys.
Wait, don't pause the video.
Okay, bye.
Bye.